One day, Mercado, you know, I was just chilling, checking some foods. Then I saw this tindahan full of fresh utanan. So I asked the girl, "Tapkira, miss?" Then she turned around and stop. Your vibe is like IMO. It makes my eyes so clear. Parang bright lagi view ko. You give happiness, energy to mine. Naluin ang spirit, oh miss. Pagkakahin opener, you open up my closed and lonely heart. Miss, ikaw laan nakabagting, nakabukohan at kasing igahatag ko ang tanan, ang langit ang mga pito na kalangitan. Miss, ikaw ang reynahan, ako mga queen-adian. Basta makuha ko laan, imo matamis na I got hypnotized by your tantalizing eyes. The moment I saw you, my brain like stalking, walk at no vibes. My heart keeps dribbling, parang bola sa basketball. But then my breath gets heavy, parang gym chase. Ako yung kaayaban. Miss, ikaw laan nakabating, nakapukuhan at kasing. Igahatag ko ang tanan, ang langit ang mga bito o kalangitan. Miss, ikaw ang reynahan, ako ng mga kinadian. Basta makuha ko laan, imo